Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm gonna prepare a very simple and easy Asian style shrimp sandwich. Because as you probably know already, shrimps are my favorite animals. I got inspired for this sandwich by a local Chinese snack bar in Leiden where I used to live, and there I ordered a couple of times this shrimp sandwich. I was very impressed by the flavors. Here I got about 220 grams of nice looking shrimps. For the seasoning, I'm gonna really try to keep this recipe very simple. So it's gonna be just some black pepper. Well, quite a lot of black pepper, because I like this. Lauwroot, a very gentle herb. Yep. Yeah, quite a lot as well. And then lemongrass, a very common spice herb in Southeast Asia. Then gonna mix this. Oh yeah. The smell of these herbs is incredible already. Then for the vegetables, one big shallot will do. Just gonna cut this very roughly. Something like this. Put some extra virgin olive oil in my Thai wok. It's very hot, so let's go. The shallot is sauteed already, so I'm gonna put in bean sprouts. Plus my beautiful shrimps. Put the heat a little higher. Plus some Thai oyster sauce for extra flavor. It's ready. Here I got an Italian bun, as they call it. I'm gonna slice this, which is not very easy. And it's gonna work. I'm gonna stuff this bun as much as possible with these beautiful shrimps and bean sprouts and shallot. I think this is like enough. Everything that not fits in the bread, and just put aside as a kind of garnish, as a kind of extra. I wasn't sure which Asian sauce I was gonna use, but now I think I decided, yeah. I'm gonna use sambal ulek, which is Indonesian spicy sauce. Oh yeah, that is quite a lot. Some more. This is gonna be spicy, alright. The most easy part of of all cooking videos is always the eating. That's what I'm gonna do right now. That's nice. Not very easy to eat because all the shrimps are going everywhere. And so do the bean sprouts. There is much flavor in this, that's for sure. Thanks to the oyster sauce. The oyster sauce makes it a little salty, but not too much. It's really very balanced. Then the sambal ulak, yeah, that spicy red pepper sauce from Indonesia. Perfect with shrimp. A little salty as well. I simply love sandwiches like this. It's got so much flavor. I mean, from the spices, from the herbs, from the shrimp in this case. I finished my sandwich. Now there's of course some more shrimps left with bean sprouts and shallot. I'm gonna pour some of this beautiful sriracha Thai red pepper sauce over this, and let's see what the flavor is like. Now that is beautiful. I know this already, of course, because I'm a big fan of sriracha, my favorite sauce. Thank you for watching this video. I see you next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.